morning, welcome to our channel. Today I'm doing a 3-month review on the hothead headliners that we installed on our Jeep Gladiator. Let's see how they work and what I think of them. So what I'm going to do is I have this simple infrared heat gun, and I'm going to take a measurement of what the roof is at right now. Now today is about 71 degrees outside, and let's see, it is showing 148 degrees on the black roof in the sun. So we're gonna go inside and take a reading here of the actual headliner, and that is showing 112, so a definite heat reduction from the outside to the inside with the hothead headliners. I've had really good luck with the headliners. The one thing I didn't do on the instructions was I did not sand down my hardtop panels. They suggest and give you sandpaper to sand off the top layer of your hardtop panels, and I really didn't want to do that. The tape they give you is super sticky, and I took a chance that it would actually stay up there and stick, and they have been fine since. I've got the top front panels here, and whether you have a JL or Gladiator like I do, I haven't had them fall down whatsoever. And I also got the sound deadening kit, which is a silver sticky that goes on the inset sections of the hardtop panels and the back panel itself, and that seems to work pretty good. Sound wise, as you can see from my original video, the decibels do go down quite a bit. I mean, I still get some wind noise. It's a Jeep, you're gonna have wind noise, but so far so good, and I've been very happy with the quality of them. The one thing I will say about them, and I really didn't like it, is once you install them, leave your windows down, because the wood that they use and the glue that they use, it stinks for a while. It still has a slight odor after 3 months, but the first week was kind of annoying, and it was actually cold when I installed them, so putting the windows down while you're riding, I really couldn't, because then you'd freeze, and but you wouldn't smell the stink. But that is the only negative thing that I have to say about them. They do have a wood and glue smell for quite some time. But if you have a garage, or you can leave your windows down just a little bit if you have vent visors on your rig, if you park outside, just leave them down, let it air out, and it does go away. So if you have any comments or questions, please put them down below. I will get back to you. If you have any other thoughts or anything about these, but for the money and the quality of them, they are built nice. They do stay. They do what they're supposed to do. I can't think of anything else more to say about them. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. That way when our next video comes out, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.